Okay, today we are talking about how to adjust European style kitchen cabinet door hinges. So here's sort of a standard looking European style kitchen cabinet door hinge. And you'll note there's 3 different adjustment screws on this hinge. The front screw, closest to the door, adjusts the left and right position of the door. That larger middle screw adjusts the up and down of the door. So the way that screw works on each hinge is you loosen it slightly and then gently move the door up and down to where you want it, and then retighten that screw. And the back screw, farthest away from the door, that's basically inside the cabinet there, adjusts the gap between the face frame and the door. So here's an example. You can see these 2 doors are not aligned. If we look closely at the top, these 2 corners are off. So we're going to adjust those today. Woo! So here's our European style hinge, our 3 adjustment screws. So I'd recommend you make small adjustments a little at a time, close the doors and look at it. And just keep doing that until you're happy with the result. And you can see how that door shifted there when I adjusted that screw. And I'm adjusting both doors on this upper cabinet so we can get them aligned vertically and horizontally. You see how I popped the door out. So I'm just making a series of several small adjustments here with the Phillips head screwdriver. Now if you have soft close hinges, those are slightly different. They have similar screws, but they also have an additional adjustment screw on them. These are not soft close hinges though. So I've loosened those middle screws just a tiny bit, and you can see I'm trying to adjust the up and down position of the door slightly. You can see it moving. So again, you'll need to play with the adjustment on all the hinges to get it just where you want it, just right. Obviously the 2 screws on the door, leave those screws alone. Those are just the mounting screws that mount the door and the hinge together. So I had to use a number 2 square drive bit for that large center screw. You can see it says square 2. I'm just going to gently use my cordless drill driver to make that up and down adjustment and set it in place exactly where I want the door to stay. I think I'm happy with that. Let's take a look. That's a lot better than it was. Not sure if you can see that on camera. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.